Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay March 29, 2026 Sunday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong March 29, 2026 Sunday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Sunday, March 29, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for March 29, 2026, Sunday. Here are the Tunis jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, March 29, 2026. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for afternoon of March 29, 2026, Sunday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.